Alright, so I'm going to try to replace my fog lights with these Morimoto XB LED fog lights. These are the Honda version. So just kind of look, but it's the Honda round. I think it's the only option that's around for the Honda. So what's in here? Try not to drop any. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Here's the fog lights. See, it says Morimoto right there. Looks pretty nice. And let's see. It's plastic, so it shouldn't crack as easily as some of the glass ones do. At least past Hondas had that issue. I believe, if I recall, another person on the Ridgeline owners forum said these have to be cut off, so we'll find out in a second. Okay, so here's where the factory fog light is, and from the looks of it, probably need to remove this, maybe this part too. Looks like it's number 10. Is it 10 mil? Yep. So just remove 1, 2, 3, 4. These plastic clips may have to come out. You're gonna have to get a screwdriver for those, and then these back here. So I'll do that, and we'll see where we get. Alright, so pretty much there's a screw here, a plastic clip tool like this one here. Put it over here. There's another one down the line. I think it was right here, yeah. There's one right here. And then there was a screw in that was right here. So you'll need a Phillips and a plastic pop-in panel. So if you don't know, for these, you just grab a screwdriver, pop these out, and then you can pull this. Or you can use a plastic panel tool remover, and that works too. So you can drop this whole thing both sides, and then give you a quick look. You guys can see in there. Maybe not, but the fog light is right up there. And there's 4 bolts holding it in. So I'm gonna finish removing this cover and get the fog lights. Alright, so here you can kind of see the fog light. I kind of disconnected the connector right here. There are 4 Phillips head. You're going to want a really stubby screwdriver, or you're going to want a flex head. Yeah, this one. I think that will get it, but I'll let you know if it does it. Alright, so the fog light's out. Yeah, I would highly recommend you just remove the bumper. It's a real pain in the butt. But here's the other one now. See, they're roughly the same size. The bolt pattern looks the same, but one guy said you had to cut it, but I'll see what I can do first. Alright, so yes, you're going to have to cut the bottom corner off. Let me see if I can show you somehow. Right here, there's this little plastic molding that sticks out like a plus sign. That's in the way of the bottom of the screw. So right here, let's see, upside down, it interferes with this guy. You could technically notch that out to make it work, but as you can see on this one, there's a little groove for it. So that's why other people have just cut that out. Okay, so first fog light's installed. Give you guys a quick look. Oh, let's see. So quick look. Takes a second to warm up, but that's what it looks like. Go down a little bit here. Go down. You can see that there's a cutoff to the LED, so it's not as blinding to oncoming drivers if you just replace the bulb like on the left side over here. Alright, for the passenger side, you will snap this portion off. So what I'm going to do is take some pliers, roughly right about at the edge of this, and snap, and we're good.